In today's video, we will be reviewing a new construction in Punta Cana called the Seed. It is located approximately 12 minutes from the Punta Cana International Airport, and it will be across the main boulevard from the downtown Punta Cana area. It says here 3 minutes, but that's because it's a busy intersection and there's a lot of cars for the most part. But it is literally 1 minute across the boulevard with light traffic. The Seed is a new residential complex of 470 units comprised of 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments with a contemporary and functional design expressly planned to enjoy the Caribbean in great architectural quality. Stove, extractor, refrigerator, and washer-dryer are included in every unit. The Seed will be distributed across 12 5-story condos, which will offer its residents a healthy lifestyle with spaces for relaxation, comfort, and well-being. All apartments were designed in such a way as to make the most out of them. The versatility of the spaces will allow the rooms to be organized in the way that best suits each resident's needs, and the project was planned based on the rental unit concept to maximize financial benefits. The grounds will serve as a magical place to share quality time. Fruit trees and organic orchards provide an oasis of health, vegetation, and beauty. The design of each area pays close attention to nature and its effects on health, well-being, and balance. The landscaping is inspired by a tropical influence intending to add contrast to the surroundings. The architecture creates spaces where nature comes to live. The designs complement the surrounding natural setting with elegance that provides a modern ambiance, integrating seamlessly with its sustainable gardens. Tropical gardens that surround the pool area within the buildings will serve as a pleasant oasis to stroll and exercise outdoors. The greenery and gardens aim to offer a fresh, organic, and natural lifestyle, providing balance and harmony. The Seed Pavilion is one of the most emblematic structures of the project. Exceptional social areas and open spaces perfectly integrate with nature, inviting residents to fully relax in this tropical paradise. This facility will feature different areas dedicated to leisure and relaxation, such as a bar, gym, spa with sauna and Turkish bath, and co-working area. The developers understand that planting is giving life to our lives, so they decided to promote health by organizing workshops on harvesting vegetables at the Organic Vegetable and Herbs Garden. Inspired by the geological formation of a cenote, a natural well that is fed by the filtration of rain, the cenote building emerges. Its shape allows the recreation of a roof-covered restaurant and pool bar, as well as a covered pool with refreshing temperature characteristic of a cenote. Its accessible rooftop offers continuity to the organic and botanical landscapes that extend throughout the complex. The area will feature a garden gazebo, yoga area, restaurant, cocktail bar, and children's area. Crystal clear waters with local vegetation as a backdrop and white sands like the most beautiful Caribbean beaches will complement the relaxing experience. There will be several wooden decks around the pool equipped with sunbeds. Residents will also enjoy hanging hammocks to relax in. There will also be tennis courts where residents can have fun and exercise with their friends and family. The payment plan is as follows. Reserve a unit with $2,500, then pay 20% upon signing a contract or purchase agreement. Then you pay 30% during the construction phase. The 50% balance is due upon delivery. You can pay it in full or you can acquire financing. The estimated delivery date for the first phase of the Seed is April 2024. The Seed has the benefit of the Comforter Law, which is the exemption of paying the 1% property tax for 15 years and the exemption of paying the 3% title transfer fee. For prices and availability, shoot me an email to mikemasterspresents@gmail.com or call me direct or via WhatsApp to 484-944-1621. And last but not least, I've started a WhatsApp group where I will be sharing new projects before making videos on them. I will also be sharing the prices and availability, and you will have the privilege of investing in these projects before releasing them to the public. If you want to be part of this group, all you have to do is text me via WhatsApp with the text, "Add me to your group." Please let me know your name as well. Well, that's all I have for today. If you enjoyed today's video and found value in it, please give it a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified on future videos, and share it with others who you think may benefit from it. Until next time, have a great day.